Hi, good afternoon everyone. This is Muhammad. We are en route to Abu Dhabi. As I have mentioned in my previous video, year 2026 in terms of real estate would be all about Abu Dhabi real estate market. Major developers like Shoba, Damac, Omniad are already planning big launches by the end of this year. Right now we are heading to Ohana Development. They are collaborating with Jacob & Co and other brands to bring a new launch of villas, townhouses on Yas Canal. So stay tuned, we will be shortly sharing the model and the details in this vlog. So guys, we have reached the Ohana Developer Sales Office. So as you see, this is the actual site. This area is called Al Jarf area. So you can see right now behind me is all water and the crystal clear water of Abu Dhabi. So we are like 35 minutes from Maktoum International Airport and 35 minutes from Abu Dhabi International Airport, 25 minutes to Palm Jebel Ali and 20 minutes to Jebel Ali Beach. So we are right in the center or the border, equally distant from both the airports and downtown of both the cities of Dubai and Abu Dhabi. So this area has the master developer Imkan Properties, but this project is developed by Ohana. So Ohana has recently collaborated with Jacob & Co, built in the beachfront villas and apartments. Right now we are going to one of villas which they have recently handed over just to showcase the quality and what you can get at this price point. So I have arrived at the show villa developed by Ohana Developments at Al Jarf area. This villa is just to show you the quality of the material they are using. And this was completely sold out. Currently in the secondary market, this is selling at a high premium. So you just saw the show villa what they have delivered. The finishes were amazing. Right now there are only two locations in Abu Dhabi which open directly to the Gulf Sea, Thadia Thailand and Al Jarf area. Ohana developer collaboration with Jacob & Co still have some good units left in terms of apartments and villas and customized mansions. So if we talk about the price point, the Dubai beachfront and Abu Dhabi beachfront, Abu Dhabi is almost 50 to 60% less compared to Dubai beachfront properties. And the reason is simple. Abu Dhabi market is still on the developing stage and is very new. So if you have missed your chance previously on Dubai market, this is your chance to make the same premium what Dubai market is currently doing it. Stay tuned. If you're interested in Abu Dhabi and exploring options, DM me now.